Welcome to Domestic Relations Services, DRS. Judges refer separating or divorcing parents to our office to help develop a custody plan, screen for therapeutic services like family therapy or psychological evaluations, and supervised visitation. If parents are already separated and divorced, then we work with parents who are back in court seeking to modify their current custody plan or have their custody order enforced with a family access motion. The DRS staff use mediation skills to help parents develop or change their custody plans so that parents can work together to decide what is best for their children and their families. This means meeting with both parents together to discuss their custody arrangements if appropriate. If parents agree on a parenting plan, then the DRS mediator will provide a written draft of the agreement to the parents and their attorneys. If there is no agreement, then DRS will summarize to the attorneys and the judge what the process has been, what was agreed upon, and what was not. DRS does not make any determinations or recommendations about what the custody should be, only suggestions and options about how to resolve the disagreement between the parents. DRS attends all the court hearings, provides written summaries to the attorneys, and reports directly to the court about any progress made. Thus, this is not a confidential process. Once a court-ordered referral is received at DRS, a letter to each parent and copied to their attorney is mailed letting you know who your case is assigned to and requesting that you schedule an appointment. We meet with each parent individually first, then discuss scheduling joint sessions with both parents if appropriate. The goal of the individual meetings is to discuss the purpose of the court-ordered referral, screen for the appropriateness of mediation, and gather background information to help determine the next steps in the process. If a joint session is screened to be inappropriate, then DRS may shuttle mediate between the parents in separate rooms or invite the attorneys to participate. For more information about the Family Court of St. Louis County's Domestic Relations Services, please call 314-615-8093 or visit our website, stlcountycourts.com. DRS also provides supervised visitation as ordered by the court for up to an hour each week. Once DRS has initiated the supervised visits, if an opening is available that is convenient for a family, the case can be transferred to the Exchange Center.
The Exchange Center provides court-ordered, supervised exchanges of custody and supervised visitation for DRS cases when there are safety concerns, conflict at exchanges, or non-compliance of a court order. The Exchange Center is open Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday evenings, and on Saturdays from 9 o'clock a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. Supervised custody exchanges allow parents and children to feel safe and secure in the court's building. The receiving parent arrives 15 minutes before the child and waits in a separate waiting room. The delivering parent arrives with the child at the time of the custody exchange and is placed in their own waiting room, while the child and the receiving parent exit the building. Once the exchange is complete, the delivering parent is free to leave after 15 minutes. Exchange Center staff document all of the exchanges. Similarly, supervised visitation is provided for up to 1 hour per week per court order. The receiving parent arrives 15 minutes before the child and waits in the visiting room. The delivering parent arrives with the child at the time of the supervised visits and is placed in their own waiting room. The Exchange Center facilitator brings the child from the delivering parent to the visiting parent and supervises the visit for its duration. Once the supervised visit is complete, the child is returned to the delivering parent and they are escorted out of the building. The visiting parent is then allowed to leave after 15 minutes. Of course, Supervised visitations at DRS should be a last resort for children and their families, and the first resort should be an agreeable family and friends that both parents trust to keep the child safe at all times. If parents are agreeable to a private supervisor in the community, that is another option that will allow children and supervised parents more time together in the community to foster and maintain their relationship. However, if neither of these are options, then DRS is here to provide a 1-hour visit each week at the court's building, which may get transferred to the Exchange Center if there are viable openings for the family. For more information about the Exchange Center, please call the program coordinator at 314-615-0369 or visit our website at www.stlcountycourts.com.